The Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus pushes the boundaries of what a mid-range smartphone can offer, packing specifications that rival true flagships. It features a stunning 144Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering ultra-smooth motion and vibrant visuals ideal for gaming and multimedia. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor, offering fast performance, strong efficiency, and excellent handling of demanding apps. The massive 8,500 mAh battery ensures exceptional endurance, while 120W fast charging means the phone can refuel quickly despite its size. Photography gets a major upgrade with a remarkable 300MP main camera, promising extreme detail and versatile shooting capabilities. To complete the powerhouse setup, the Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus comes loaded with 1TB of storage and 32GB of RAM, giving users more than enough space and multitasking capacity. Altogether, this device stands out as a performance monster with high-end features across the board.